Whoa!
I got 0. Oh, 8.
And then what is your favorite thing about this party so far?
The punch.
I love punch. Do you love punch, Miss B?
Absolutely.
Give me your best I love punch dance.
Mom, can we spike it?
Oh yeah, let me get something to spike it with.
Would you grind with us?
If you interview me, no.
Wait, Dan, you won't marry her?
You won't marry me!
I wouldn't either.
No, careful, Tessie.
Kill me!
What is it?
It's mice! Oh my god, my mom's gonna kill me! Can I see? No, you can't. Did you get Ruben?
Yu-Gi-Oh cards in Spanish.
In Spanish.
Spanish.
What'd you get? It's a video. You're
Little tights.
and
Shrek Chia Pet.
I got a memory.
Miss Bogarty had one of these.
Bogucky.
Bogarty.
What'd you get?
Nothing.
Oh, I'm sorry. Can I see your awesome, amazing gift? And how do you feel about it? Augustina, what did you receive? Joyous. And Joey? Carly, what did you receive?
A sparkle lamp. That changes colors.
Oh, and the greatest lunchbox ever. Thank you, Twan. Heather, what did you receive?
What did you get, Marita?
Do not forget the lyrics.
What did you receive?
Yes!
Good thing I didn't pick that one.
And Phil, what did you receive? You got chubby cheeks. No, what'd you get? Socks.
Who wants to
What'd you get?
my mom with me?
Jesse, what did you get? What did you get? I got mice. Yes.
So, here's the story of 3 girls.
Rachel, Lindsay, and Ella.
Ella has no hair and sister size of a cantaloupe. Roy Throny.
I see you, I feel you. That is how you know I will go on.
Are you zooming into my face? I'm Caitlin, and I sound like a man.